Well, what a year 2020 has been. I doubt any of us would have predicted such a turbulent year. And here at Actif and Carmarthenshire County Council, we are acutely aware of the way in which the pandemic has affected so many people's health and well-being. Through multiple service closures, we've been limited in the way in which we could help you stay fit and healthy in body and mind. But that's never stopped us caring about you or doing what we can. So we're here this evening to celebrate the Actif's most prestigious awards evening, the Sports Awards, that honours the greatest and most inspirational athletes, teams, clubs, schools and individuals who live in or are from Carmarthenshire. It's always a privilege to reach this point in the year, to reflect on a year of sport, and it brings to the fore how our county continues to drive sport forward through its focus, development and achievements. And this last year has been extraordinary, and with little or no sport being played due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we're not able to deliver the awards to you in the usual format, so instead we're taking this opportunity to celebrate the achievements of some of our previous winners. Over the course of this week, you'll see some of the sporting highlights of the outstanding talent that we have in our county, which we hope you will enjoy viewing. Before we begin, I would like to pay a short tribute to the compere of our previous year's awards, who sadly isn't with us any longer. Tomo, a well-known face at our Sports Awards, was integral to the success of the evening, and his welcoming and warm personality will be missed by us all. From all at Carmarthenshire County Council, we thank you. To introduce the first categories, I'll hand you over to one of Carmarthenshire's finest sports stars, Lloyd.
Welcome to the first evening of Actif's Sports Awards. I am Lloyd, GB Triathlete from Llanelli, and it is a great honour to be part of the awards celebrating athletes, coaches, teams and clubs from Carmarthenshire, which will hopefully inspire others to be active. As a GB athlete, I have been fortunate to travel and compete across the world in destinations such as Cape Town, Australia and Canada. This has been a fantastic experience, and one of the biggest highlights of my career so far is competing for Wales at the Commonwealth Games. I aspire to compete in Ironman Wales in the near future, and I am keen to continue coaching future triathletes in and around Carmarthenshire. Tonight we celebrate winners from the Young Sportsman and Young Sportswomen categories, an award that presented to the young athletes who have achieved success at international level, representing Wales within their sport. We hope you enjoy your evening.
Joe from Llanelli had successful years in both 2013 and 2014 in his sport cycling. In 2013, Joe had a fantastic season competing in both road and track races with over 45 race wins to his name. He was also selected for the prestigious Great Britain Olympic Talent Team. In 2014, he won silver in the European Junior Track Team Pursuit Championships and a bronze medal in the European Junior Track Madison Championships in Spain, followed by an impressive gold medal at the British Junior Kilo Time Trial Championships. Since winning the award, Joe has competed in the Commonwealth Games and has represented Great Britain in the Under-23 Classic races, as well as representing Wales and Great Britain over the world.
In 2015, Nathan was a Cllr student and a former Coedca pupil. He competed in the javelin in the under-17s category and was ranked first in Wales and fourth in the UK. Nathan won the Celtic Games Championship with a personal best of 61 metres and was given a medal for the stadium record. He also won the Welsh Senior League and the Welsh Inter-Regional Championships. Since winning the Young Sportsman Award in 2015, Nathan has achieved a new personal best, which placed him fourth in the UK. He continues to compete in Welsh athletics and the British Leagues every year and is still proudly part of the Welsh squad.
Liam Beard was a dedicated gymnast with a drive that fueled his demanding 26-hour-a-week training schedule. In 2016, he was selected to represent Wales in international competition and as part of the winning Welsh gymnastics team that competed in a home internationals competition in November. He also came third in the British elite grades gymnastics and at the time retained his position in the GB squad and was one of only 3 gymnasts in Great Britain and the only one in Wales to become part of the elite British gymnastics under-12 squad.
Ben Thomas, a member of Carmarthenshire Athletics Club, excelled in endurance events in both 2017 and 2018. In 2017, he was ranked in the top 3 in the UK for 1500 metres and 200 metre steeplechase in the under-17s age group. In 2018, Ben represented both Wales and GB at numerous competitions, including the European Athletics Championships in Hungary. Ben also captained the Welsh male teams in the Celtic Games and was number 1 in Wales and 2nd in the UK ranking. Since winning the award, Ben continues to excel at international level and is part of the Welsh Athletics Commonwealth Games Future programme as well as the British Athletics Talent Hub at British University.
In 2019, Justin competed in Karate Kumate and was ranked 1st in Wales, 1st in Britain and 3rd in the world. Justin came 1st in European Championships in Ireland in October 2018 and 1st in British Championships in Northampton during July 2019. Justin was dedicated and hard-working individual that balanced both his academia and national and international sporting duties.
During the 2013-2014 season, despite an injury setback, Nakara worked hard to win a place in the Welsh Commonwealth Rhythmic Gymnastics squad, where she helped to win silver in the team event. In addition to this, Nakara competed in the British Apparatus Championships, where she had 2 second places and 2 first places. Due to a persistent injury, Nakara was forced to retire from competing, however continues within the sport by coaching at her local club, Llanelli Rhythmic Gymnastics.
During 2014, Manon achieved outstanding results at both European and world level. She was a member of the British Cycling Olympic Academy and won gold at the European Under-18s, Under-23s, track cycling women's pursuit and women's point races. She also won silver in the British National Track Championships in the women's individual pursuit. Since winning the award, Manon has continued with the success and has won several medals as part of the team pursuit at international and European level.
In 2015, Ella was the British Under-16s Omnium champion and the national 500 metre time trial champion. Ella represented Great Britain in the Youth Olympics in Hungary, where she finished 5th in the road race and 7th in the time trial events. She was also ranked number 1 in Great Britain in her age category and was selected to form part of the British junior cycling team. Since winning the awards, Ella has become 3 times British champion and the team pursuit champion at the 2020 British National Track Champions. Ella is currently part of Team Live Cycling and Team Breeze.
2016, Jessica had a fantastic season, winning silver in the World Junior Racetrack Championships, bronze in both the Junior European Omnium Track Championships and the Junior European Team Pursuit Track Championships. In 2018, Jessica was the 7-time British champion in road and track cycling as was on the Great Britain Senior Academy. Jessica represented Wales in Team GB on a number of occasions, which included representing Wales at the Commonwealth Games in Australia in April. Having moved category in 2018 from a junior to a senior, Jessica was the first British rider to ever win the British road race within their first year as a senior rider. Since winning the award, Jessica has continued her success and is now part of the professional team Mitchelton Scott.
In 2019, after representing Wales at a junior level, Lara received her first senior international cap representing Wales in the Commonwealth Table Tennis Championships in India. During this year, Lara also won a gold medal for Wales at the International Senior Schools Championships in the Under-18s team event and won gold for St Michael's School at the ISA National Championships. Since winning the award, Lara has been invited to be a part of Sport Wales's Elite Athlete Scheme and Table Tennis Wales's Elite Programme. Lara is looking forward to competing once guidelines and restrictions allow.
What an inspiration. To have produced such high calibre young athletes shows the determination of the young people that we have here in Carmarthenshire. This is testament to the coaches, volunteers and families that support these athletes week in, week out. The future of our county looks very exciting indeed. Thank you for watching this evening and be sure to join us again tomorrow as we celebrate team, young team and club of the year categories.